In this video, we are going to study what is a governor, what is the main function of a governor, and we are going to study what are the different types of governors. So first, what are governors? So governor is a device which is used to maintain a constant mean speed of an engine. So the governor meets the varying demand for power by regulating the supply of the working fluid. So the main function of governor is to regulate or to maintain the speed of an engine. So simply we can understand the working of governor. So when the load on the engine increases, so the speed of that engine will decrease. So the centrifugal force which is acting on this flywheels will decrease and the sleeve will move down. So when this sleeve will move down, the motion from this bell crank lever will be transmitted to this throttle valve. So this throttle valve will open and the fuel supply will increase. So when this fuel supply will increase, the speed will increase. So when this speed will increase, the engine will run at constant speed. So we can achieve constant speed. What are the applications of the governor? Governors are used in automobile to control the speed and keep it within required speed by operating the throttle valve. Second example is it is used in speed control of turbine shaft in hydroelectric power plants. Next example is they are used in control of or speed control of mechanical music box. So these are the some of the applications for the governors. Then we are going to classify the governors. So the governors are mainly classified into two types. First, inertia governor, and second is centrifugal governor. So first we will understand what is meant by inertia governor. So inertia governors are arranged in such a way that the inertia forces caused due to the angular acceleration or retardation of governor shaft tend to change their position. Means we can say in simple words, in inertia governor, centrifugal force as well as inertia force are in action. They are or these governors are highly sensitive to varying loads, so they are quick in response. Next is centrifugal governor. So centrifugal governor operation mainly depends upon the and change in speed and centrifugal force on the governing balls. Here or in centrifugal governors, only centrifugal force is in controlling action. So the centrifugal governors are less sensitive compared to the inertia governors and their response is slower than that of the inertia governors. So these centrifugal governors are easy to balance the revolving parts. That's why they are popularly used in most of the applications. Next, we are going to classify centrifugal governors. Centrifugal governors are mainly classified into two types. First is pendulum type and second is loaded type. So under pendulum type, first is wide governor. In loaded type, they are again classified into two types: dead loaded, spring loaded. Again in dead loaded, they are classified as Porter governor or Proel governor, and under spring loaded, they are classified as Hartnell governor, Hartung governor, Wilson Hartnell governor, and Pickering governor. So we will understand one by one centrifugal governors. First we will understand pendulum type of wide governor. So in this governor, a pair of balls, that is masses are attached to the spindle with the help of arms and links. So this is the wide type of governor. Next, second type of governor, that is under loaded governor. So in loaded governor, first governor, that is deadweight loaded governor, first is Porter governor and second is Proel governor. Porter governor is a modification. Porter governor is a modification of VAT governor. Only difference is that central load is attached onto this. So this central load is attached onto this central sleeve. So the load moves up and down on this sleeve. So this is about the Porter governor. Second type of deadweight loaded governor is Proel governor. So Proel governor, again it is a modification of Porter governor. Only difference is that it consists of fly balls which are connected by using an extended arm. So these are the two extended arm on which these two fly balls, that is masses, are placed. So this is about the dead loaded governors. Next, spring loaded governors. So in this we are going to study Hartnell governor and Winsell-Hartnell governor. First is Hartnell governor. Hartnell governor is spring loaded centrifugal governor. It consists an additional spring. So it consists an additional spring which is used to apply an additional force to the sleeve. So this governor has a nut placed at the top of the spring. So this nut is used to adjust the force of the spring. Then next is Wilson Hartnell governor. So this governor is also called as spring loaded governor. So it is a special type of governor which has spring attached between these two balls of the governor. This spring is called as mainspring. So the mainspring is stretched and placed between the balls. So this means that the mainspring always exerts a inward force to both of these balls. It also has one more spring which is called as auxiliary spring. So this auxiliary spring is connected sleeve through this sleeve through a pivoted leaf. So this is Wilson Hartnell governor.